How to recover Twitter suspended account. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to recover a Twitter suspended account, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for Twitter support. Tap on the Contact Us link you see there. You will now see a search bar. Tap on that and now type in About Suspended Account. You will be shown with various options. Tap on About Suspended Accounts option. Here, scroll down and find the File and Appeal option and go ahead and tap on that. Remember that in order to appeal and get the appeal form, you have to log in to your suspended Twitter account. So go ahead and log yourself in. Once logged in, you will get the appeal form. Now fill up the form with all the required details and your account information and submit the appeal further. Twitter will respond to your appeal in 24 hours and your suspended account will be recovered. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.